How to join a Discord server. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can join Discord server. Well, to join a Discord server, you'll have to use an invite link from a friend or find public ones via the Explore tab. For example, if you open up Discord, if you're on General, head back. Here you can see, tap on the plus icon here down at the left hand side and you can see join a server option. Tap on join a server and you can see invite link. You can paste in the invite link and you can join, or if you have the link you can directly tap on the link and it should prompt you to join the server. If you want to join public servers, you can head into your browser and you can search in Discord public servers. For example, if you want PUBG servers, right? So Discord public PUBG servers, and you can proceed to, you can see PUBG Battleground here. You can tap on it and it should prompt you to join. You can see accept invite. Tap on accept invite and you'll be able to join the group. So this way you can search in for public groups and join them as well. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.